I'm not sure what this is since I get so many packages from Amazon, but I am assuming that it is my my DEWALT drill because it has a battery, a warning label on it. So I open it up. Yep, and that's exactly what it is. And DEWALT. Uh, 20-volt drill. Comes in a very nice duffel bag. Instructions manual. Charger. Very light. Feels sturdy also as well. And 2 batteries. I'm assuming that they're probably not charged. But does have a little bit of power in it. Very nice. I can't wait to put it to use. And the duffel bag is a nice plus. Very nice.